Hi guys, I'm Max Weinbach with XDATV. And you know, today I'm doing a little bit different of a video. This isn't my normal, oh yeah, I'm on my phone showing you guys a new feature, or a new phone, or an unboxing, or a review. No, I'm showing you guys astrophotography on the Google Pixel 3 XL. Now this is a Pixel 4 feature, but thanks to C-Stark we were able to mod the gcam 7 APK that I did a video on earlier, and unlock the feature. Now the reason I'm bringing this outside like this is because it's pitch black, as you can see. So I'm going to try to light it well, but as you can see, it doesn't work out too well. So hopefully I can try to make this a little bit better for you guys without ruining the photo. So let me head outside. Okay, so now I'm outside. It's very dark. I expect you guys to be able to see barely anything, and that's kind of the point. So, this is my street. When we look up, you can barely see anything. There are no stars. Well, you can see one right there, but there's barely anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Pixel right here, go to, no, not that APK, this APK, and I'm going to go to Night Sight. Now, I apologize you guys can't see what I'm doing. It's relatively difficult with having only one hand because I'm recording. But I'm going to put my phone in a tripod without breaking the tripod. I make no promises here. Here we go. Nope. Okay, didn't do it. You can see this is a little bit difficult. I'll be back once I get it done. It has been tripoded. Now, I have my phone pointed at a little bit of an angle here. You can see it. It's pointed up. So the reason I did this specific angle is so I can get a tree and the stars, because this is astrophotography. And once I start this, I'll talk a little bit about astrophotography and why I personally like it. So I can swipe over here, set the distance to infinity for focus, which means essentially it'll zoom out as far as it can, and then a timer of 3 seconds. This timer of 3 seconds is very important. Here we go. This is so I can let the tripod kind of stabilize afterwards. So let's hit the button. And back up. Now while this goes, I can show you guys here, it says capturing cuttlefish. So let me explain to you guys why I like astrophotography. There are very few things that are unreachable. We can't do some things. Going out to where those stars are is something we just can't do. So being able to take pictures of it is just incredible, especially from a phone. And this is the Pixel 3 XL. And the Pixel 4 will be coming out soon. But this would theoretically work on the Pixel 3a, which is a $400 phone. For a $400 phone, to be able to capture the universe is just incredible. And this is something no other phone can do. Yet. So, let's go look at this photo. You can see it's very clear, and we can see some of those stars there. Before I head back inside, let me take a couple more photos. And I will pause the video for this because, well, you guys probably don't want to hear me voice over a couple more photos. And back to hard to see selfie mode. You can kind of see the outline of my face here. It's dark. It's nice. But I'm finishing up one of my last pictures. I've been taking a couple in between normal night sight from 6.3, which is on Android Q, the latest version, and to 7.0. Again, I apologize for how dark it is. I can't really light myself without messing up the video, and I want it to be real. But finishing up the last picture. I'm going to go inside in a second and show you guys, I'm going to show you guys what these pictures look like on the big screen, by essentially meaning I'm going to edit these in and do a voiceover. But what I want to say is, this is incredible. I'm outside at, what time is it? 9:08 on a Friday. Friday the 13th, by the way. Hopefully, I don't see a clown run by. But I can come outside on a day like today and take pictures of the stars in what is an incredible quality. This is something I haven't seen on a phone. Night sight was incredible. This is one next step up. It does take a little bit more time, of course. It's a long exposure plus night sight's algorithm, but it's totally worth it. For photos like this, it's I mean, it's hard to do, and it's really good quality. Now, I could say maybe the P30 Pro could do it just as well, but I don't want to do it on a P30 Pro. I want to do it on a Pixel, mostly because that's available in the US and it's cheaper, for me at least. So let me go pick up my tripod and head back inside. So just for the hell of it, I decided, you know what? Why not do this entire video on the Note 10? I recorded it, might as well do a voiceover and some, screen recordings. So these are the pictures that I took out of the astrophotography on the Pixel 3. This first photo here, so you can see these are two different photos. I did take these outside on the Pixel 3 with the new mode, the astrophotography. You can see these are actually really good. You can see all of the stars, even some you can't see just with your eyes. It's really dark. And this is actually a really good photo, because this is also astrophotography. Both of these are. Then when you move over a photo, this is night sight, old night sight. And it just isn't that great in comparison. You see here, it looks very grainy. It's not blue. And you can't see all the stars. We go over a picture, you can see it. It's really great in comparison. I personally really, really like it. It's a much better photo. Then we can keep going. This was normal night sight, and you can see here that was actually, let's zoom in. That was actually a plane that flew by, so I kind of got that. And all of this down here, it's definitely a little bit, well, it's not that great. We move over a photo. This is astrophotography. The trees, they're much better. The stars, ooh, they're much better. And we don't actually have the plane there since it flew by. But these stars here, these look like real stars. They're not, just kind of light dots. We go over another photo. You can see astrophotography. It looks like real stars. Again, the tree isn't going to be that great. It's definitely hard to get that much light in. And the stars are fine. I mean, the stars are great. Sorry, I'm not fine. What am I saying? These are great. This is great. I don't really have the best area for taking nighttime sky photos, but you do with what you deal with what you can get access to. I guess that makes sense. And then this is night sight again. Again, it's not as good. It's a lot less detailed, a lot more grainy. And you can essentially say that for all of these. This is night sight. You can see there's the Pixel 3 XL versus gcam AA. Yeah, you can see the difference. Again, we've got the stars up here. It's just everything's more grainy. We go over here. The house actually looks really detailed. And then the stars. It's incredible. Again, just a couple more pictures. That was a bad out of focus night sight shot. I believe that's night sight. That's just an out of focus shot. It does look pretty cool, but that's not what we were going for. I hope you guys agree with me that these are really good, that astrophotography is incredibly impressive, and I love them. I really like these shots. As I was explaining before, I love the night sky, and I love this. In astrophotography on the Pixel 4, it's going to be better than the Pixel 3, and I'm incredibly, incredibly excited for it. I hope you guys are too. Let me know what you think about these shots and the Pixel 4, which has leaked a lot in the comments, and let me know about it.